Okay, so like I said, I have some lettuce, oh, some very sad spinach that I forgot I even started, and some more lettuce. And I think that there's some pretty good things to pull out of there. So I'm going to do this with Fox Farm Happy Frog, which is something that I've been using this year, and I like it. So I'm going to continue to use it. And I got a big bag right here. And let's see how this goes. And I watched a lot of I watch a lot of Charles Dowding's videos because he's an amazing gardener. And like I was saying before, this is about the 10,000th time I tried to do this season, and it just does not seem to work for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, if it was the wrong time of the year, if it was too wet, if it was too dry, if it was the medium was pushed in too much, too little. I don't know. But I'm pushing it down with not too much force, but a little bit. And you know, I see some people don't do that, some people do. I don't really know what the right or wrong way of doing it is. But I'm going to try this one more time. It's the end of October, so it's pretty cold out. It was 48 degrees this morning. That is Fahrenheit, by the way, if anybody was wondering. Just firming this up just a little bit. And one of the biggest problems I have when I do this is remembering where the cells are. I know that sounds kind of stupid, but it is kind of the truth. Now, I did invent this little thing for watering down here. It's just an old juice jug or something that I cleaned out that I have water in. I drilled a bunch of holes in the cap right there, and I don't know, it works pretty good. Like I said, this is my workbench downstairs in my garage workshop area. We had a water leak from an upstairs bathroom into the ceiling. Had to take part of the ceiling out, but it is what it is. Oh, it's kind of messy down here. I'm not going to spin the camera around because everybody's going to be like, dear Lord, look at what this guy lives in. So I got this little tool. I do believe my son got me this with a little seed starting kit he got me for Christmas or my birthday last year. And like a little dibber, pop things out. It's kind of nice. I kind of like it. So let's make us some holes in here. I used to just use a part of a pencil, dowel rod, what have you. I'll do a couple rows here. This is, I don't know if I'm doing it too deep, not deep enough, too big, too shallow. I'm not getting, see what I mean? I didn't get that one in the middle of the tray. And I like the Fox Farms. I was using a Spoma when I did a little test. Half a Spoma, half Fox. And all the plants that I moved into Fox did better than the ones that were in the Spoma. Alrighty, so, and I just put some cardboard down over my bench so I can clean up. I tend to be a pretty messy person. I don't even know if I'm going to use this video. I do have my camera, or my phone here as well. And I'm going to pop some of them guys out of here. Out of there. I wish I had like a little monitor where I could see what's going on. But I don't. So I won't. See, like that one. See that root? I don't think that's going to go. So we'll just leave that one right there. Well, this one definitely seems longer. No root. Now let's get a little bit of root. So put them in there. Put them in pretty deep. Like I said, I just watch a lot of videos, and I watched Charles Dowding do this, and he just, I don't think that one's going to work either. And he just does this so gently, yet firmly, and just, it's amazing. And it always seems to work for him. I mean, if you haven't checked out any of Charles Dowding's videos, please do. This place is called Homemakers, and absolutely amazing what he does. And if you're having a bad day, watch some of his videos, because he's got the most calming voice. His stuff is really, really interesting, and he practices no dig, and it's quite amazing. But this is my video, so I should probably be talking about what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go through and pick out as many of these guys that I think have a nice root going on with them. And I'm just gonna prick them out and put them in there, and I'm gonna do some of the spinach as well. They're not looking too healthy. I think I'm got some better looking lettuce than I have spinach. And after I get some done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I did. So this is what I came up with. I just watered them in, and well, I don't know. Some of them look like, you know, they went in really good. I think it's something to do with the roots. Other ones just never seem to look right. Right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10 spinach plants, and then these are all lettuce. Like I said, some are really small, but Charles Dowding says, the smaller the better. You can bury them deep. I buried them deep. I watered them in. Some of them are super tiny. These are going outside on a little thing that I made that is covered with mesh and shade cloth. I either missed putting one in here. Oh, no, there it is. Yeah, I don't think that one is going to make it. I got this new camera. Pick this up and show you what I'm seeing. I really don't know how it focuses. See this one right here? I don't think that one's gonna make it. But I don't know. But some of the other ones, you know, look good. You know, like this one. This one looks really, really good. But they all tend to get just a little bigger, and then they flop over and then they die. These are spinach. You know, they don't look too bad either. But like I said, I don't know. I have had no luck doing this at all, and I don't know why. I also don't know why this camera doesn't automatically focus in. Hard to say. But anyways, that is what is going on at Noah's house today. I'm going to put these outside, and maybe I'll take a couple pictures or a little video of where they're going to go out there. Alright, so I'm outside, and here's that tray that I did. I gotta remember if I'm gonna make a whole bunch of these videos and then edit them together to not say that like, subscribe, and share thing on like the middle video. But anyways, here they go. Like I said, it's been raining. It's probably 52 degrees now. It's October 23rd, I think. These are some brassicas that are looking nice. Some leeks, some onions. They're all gonna go over in that far bed on the right. And this is where these guys are gonna sit. I have this mesh put up here before. I've had up for a while, and this was to keep caterpillars out. which I'm trying to find a little video I made of a caterpillar that I locked in here. And then I have this frost cloth. It's got a lot of different names, but it seems to be doing the trick, and it did it at the beginning of the year too on some of those beds. Also how that covered, I have some beets in there. Yeah, maybe I'll start some more beets. I should have put some in there. But this is the second year I'm trying to grow during the winter. I'm gonna put my hoops on. I might put one hoop on today just to have it on. I'm thinking the pepper plants and tomatoes are about finished. I'm letting them go just a little longer, and the eggplants. So it's time to start really cleaning all the beds out. I am not going to amend this bed or that bed in the back until spring. All the other ones I did now. And that was because I asked Charles Dowding why he does his in December, November, December. And he said, well, you know, this and that. And I said, when should I do mine? And he said, do an experiment. Do some now and some later. So that's what I'm going to do. But we're going to put that in there. Hopefully I get some lettuce plants to put in. It gets pretty nice in the hoops. Keeps the frost off. And now I'll say, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Please like, subscribe, share. Throw me some comments, good, bad, or otherwise. I'd like to know that somebody's watching these. And that's all I have for today. Thanks, and bye.